Cause and Effect, Revising and Editing by Team Woo, Eliza, Michaela, Celeste, Logan, and Colton.
When writing an essay on cause and effect, you want to make sure you have explained cause and effects clearly and specifically. In order to do that, you must include the pattern of cause and effect. Also, you must provide the readers with clear examples for them to fully understand your analysis of the topic. One example is an essay on homelessness. In this essay, they include a detailed series of events that lead up to homelessness. They cover how when someone loses their job unexpectedly, it leads to family problems, drug abuse, and further financial stress. Then the effect of homelessness puts strain on personal relationships, and drug abuse is a common problem. The essay then explains why drug abuse is common, that people tend to abuse drugs as a coping mechanism. This essay clearly explains homelessness and the cause and effect of it.
Have you demonstrated that causes are not merely coincidence? Throughout this portion of this essay about earthquakes, it is made clear that the primary and secondary earthquake environmental effects, or EEEs for short, are directly caused by the occurrence of an earthquake. The writer repeatedly states why and how the Earth's surface is affected, taking good care to be as explicit as possible so that the reader is not confused. By using phrases such as a direct consequence and as a direct result of, the author makes it clear to the reader that the earthquakes are solely responsible for the damage and natural disasters that may occur afterwards.
You can see here that the person writing this essay compares a lack of social services to homelessness. He correlates the two using a cause and effect relationship. Inadequate social services are the cause and increased homelessness is the result. The writer uses diction to explain that providing social services would not ultimately defeat the issue, but rather to lessen the conflict. The writer shows his acknowledgement of the flaws, leaving more room to prove his point by conveying that social services are not the only cause to homelessness.
In this essay, the writer chose to use direct data about countries' obesity rates. With each of them, they pulled out specific factors that caused their people to be obese. When writing, you want to be sure that the analysis and support are reflecting back to the main cause. Having a variety of examples will ensure you do not oversimplify the relationship.
The transition words used throughout this essay signals the importance of sleep. The writer uses transition words like "in light of these issues," "in fact," and "therefore" to focus attention to the effects lack of sleep can result in. He emphasizes that lack of concentration and impulsive behavior can eventuate due to sleep deprivation, with words like "once again" and "in the same vein." The use of transition words is an important factor in writing your essay, as you must capture the attention of the readers while also expressing the cause and effect factors within the essay. The writer does this to further help the reader understand the connections between lack of sleep and the apparent effects that may appear as a result.
Here's the video.
A checklist helps you remember what to look for as you revise. One good checklist is ARMS. ARMS stands for add, remove, move, substitute. You can add information or explain your ideas more. You can remove words or sentences you don't need. You can move information to the right paragraph or even move paragraphs around. And you can substitute words or sentences to improve your essay. A checklist helps you remember all of the different ways you can make your writing even stronger. A checklist helps you remember what to look for.
Here are some questions to check for understanding. True or false, including examples in a cause and effect essay help the reader to understand the analysis of the topic. The answer is true. Transition words signal A, sequencing, B, cause and effect, C, comparing and contrasting, or D, all of the above. The answer is D. What helps to make sure you do not oversimplify your cause and effect relationship? A, numbers, B, diagrams, C, a variety of examples, or D, personal thoughts? The answer is C. How does a writer compare a cause and effect relationship honestly? A, exaggerating, B, acknowledging flaws, C, being vague, or D, by an emotional appeal? The answer is B. And here's our bibliography. Thank you for watching.